Moving on to the next question on the test, we have to simplify this expression here. So we got a to the power of 3 over 4 times a to the power of 3 over 2, that's all in the numerator, divided by the square root of a times the third root of a times the fourth root of a. So first thing I'm going to do here is I'm going to take the square roots in the denominator and I'm going to transform them to rational exponents. So the square root of a, we can write that as a to the power of a half. Third root of a would be a to the power 1 over 3, and then the fourth root of a would be a to the power 1 over 4. And now notice that all of these exponents have the same base a. So these two expressions we're adding that have the same base, so we can add the exponents. So what's 3 over 4 plus 3 over 2? Common denominator would be 4, so we would change this to be 6 over 4. So 9 over 4. So 3 over 4 plus 3 over 2 gives us 9 over 4, so we would have 8 to the power of 9 over 4 left in the numerator. And then these here, these three expressions, they're multiplying, they have the same base, so we could add those exponents. So we'd have 1 over 2 plus 1 over 3 plus 1 over 4. So the 1 over 2 would change to 6 over 12. The 1 over 3 would change to 4 over 12. And then the 1 over 4 would change to 3 over 12. So 6 plus 4 plus 3, that gives us 13 over 12. So these three expressions would end up being a to the power of 13 over 12. And then from here, these two expressions were dividing. So we could take these exponents, we could subtract this exponent from this one, right? Because they both have the same base. So we'd have 9 over 4 minus 13 over 12. So this question in particular has a lot of fractions to deal with. So common denominator is 12, so this would be 27 over 12 minus 13 over 12. 27 minus 13 gives us 14 over 12, and then that simplifies to what? 7 over 6. So that's the final answer, a to the power of 7 over 6. Right? So that's what all of that simplifies to. So take these radical forms, switch them to rational exponents, and then you just got to do a bunch of algebra, right? A lot of adding and subtracting fractions. Now, you could leave your answer as a rational exponent. You could also put this in radical form. So a to the power of 7 over 6, we can rewrite as a to the power of 1 over 6 to the power of 7. So it's like the 6th root of a, and then that's going to be all to the power of 7. Or you could do it the other way. So you can say a to the power of 7 to the power of 1 over 6. So we can write the 6th root of a to the power of 7. So both of these expressions here are the same thing, and both of these equal this. So either way, those are the final answers.